Okay, the answer over here, the choice anyway, is letter C. All right. Now, granted, this is a more involved problem, but the bottom line is if I were taking multiple choice exams, I would look for something that's easy to do. And the composition you do, maybe the domain and range might be more difficult, but I'm going to just quickly go through how to do the composition. And let's just do f of g first. All right, so I got this all written up for you. F of g of x is this over here. And what's g of x? Well, we're not memorizing, we're just reading. It's x plus 1 over x minus 1. Now I got to do f. And what does f do to do that? It takes 1 from it on top, and it adds 1 to it on the bottom. So I get this over here. The next thing I would do is I would try to build away the complexity of the fraction. And let me go through that with you and get my eraser out. I'll erase this business over here. And I think, for the most part, it's not bad to get here, but I'll write this down. I'm going to multiply the top by x minus 1 and the bottom by x minus 1. And what would you get over there? You would get x plus 1 minus x plus 1. And what do you get on bottom? You'd get x plus 1 plus x minus 1. Fairly simple. What do you get on top? You get 2x. I'm sorry, you get 2. And what do you get on bottom? You get 2x. What does this give you? 1 over x. Now again, if I were taking a multiple choice, I don't know if I'd go to domain and range of this thing at this point, but I'd look at it. Which one up there has f of g down as 1 over x? This one over here. Again, if I were doing the exam, I probably would just circle this one and move off it and maybe come back to it later, wondering if I made a mistake with the problem or not. But I'm going to say I'm pretty much done with that. All right. Now, granted, I put down more work here. I do mention about multiple choice exams that you do need to be quick with those things. And that was pretty easy, actually. Someone says, well, why aren't you spending time on this business over here? You could, all right? But this is the only answer listed that has that f of g down as being 1 over x. All right, thank you.